Grateful day, everyone. I'm Mr. B. As I stand here by the ocean today, a thought came to mind. Imagine you love building sandcastles. You find the perfect spot on the beach. You gather your tools. You spend hours building the most amazing sandcastle you can imagine. The towers, they're perfect. The walls are strong. You're proud of what you've created. Then the tide comes in, and slowly, wave by wave, the ocean washes it away. Now let me ask you a question. Would you never build a sandcastle again? Of course not. Because the joy wasn't never only keeping the sandcastle. The joy was actually in building it. The joy was in creating something that didn't exist before. Life is a lot like that. Many of us become afraid to build. Why? Because we're afraid of something might not last forever. A business may change. A career may change. A career may end. A relationship may evolve. A dream may take a different path than we expected. But that does not mean the experience wasn't valuable. It doesn't mean the effort was wasted. It doesn't mean the journey wasn't worth it. Looking back over my own life, I've built businesses, projects, relationships, and dreams. Some lasted longer than others. Some changed form. Some came to an end. But every one of them taught me something. Every one of them helped shape the person I am today. The tide back there is going to do what the tide does. Change is a part of life. The question is not whether things will change. The question is whether you will keep building. Will you keep creating? Will you keep believing? Will you keep moving forward? Because builders build, creators create, dreamers dream. Not because they're guaranteed the castle would last forever, but because building is actually a part of who they are, who we are. So if life has washed away one of your sandcastles recently, don't spend all your time staring at the tide, resenting the tide. Find another spot on the beach and start building again. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Become who you were meant to be.